So I'm just going to take this question because a couple people have asked it, and I don't know, can you share the name of this nursing home blend? A few people want to know what that is.
So I won't share that because I think every good chemical distributor has got a product like that. My product is specific to the carrier of the chemical supplier that I use. I mean, there's a dozen chemical suppliers out there. I'm not going to give you a commercial for anyone because I think it's really important. Everybody should have a relationship with a professional chemical supplier because they're the ones, whether it be your dry cleaning supplier or an industrial laundry supplier, they're the ones that are going to be able to help you with your specific problem. And there are a lot of things to really think about when you're doing laundry for somebody else. And you can get into the pH of your water, you can get into the hardness of your water, all things that hopefully you've evaluated before. But your chemical supplier, my chemical supplier, checks our pH regularly when he comes out to make sure that the balances are all correct in the loads and making sure we're getting the right doses for what we want, because pH in water can change regularly along with hardness depending on your source of water. And if that changes, the effectiveness of the chemicals that you're dosing the loads with will also change. So that relationship's, I think, important. I think that's the most important thing you can do is get that relationship, because they're also a regular resource. You can usually pick up the phone and call them if you have a problem, and they should. If a good supplier will solve that problem for you.